Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your phone number from your Instagram account. So if you put in your phone number to your Instagram account to verify it, but you want to change it, I'll show you exactly how to do that today. So first things first, go to the Instagram app. And once you go to it, go to your profile by clicking your PFP in the bottom right corner. Once you click here, click on Edit Profile. There are two ways to get rid of it, but this is the fastest way. So click Edit Profile. And once you click on that, click on Personal Information Settings. Once you click on Personal Information Settings, this page should come up right here, and you'll see your email, phone, gender, and birthday. Click on your phone. And if you click on your phone, then you should be able to delete all of the numbers. So click on it and then just delete the numbers. Now once you do that, click on Next. And once you click Next, go back to the normal page and click Done. And your phone number should be removed from it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.